Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Jake Cherries, and I'm kind of going to be breaking down, um, how to throw a baseball, and also kind of dive into the mechanic side of throwing a baseball. So first off, we have some of the best pitchers in the game throwing a baseball. As you can see, very nasty pitches. Um, so to start off, the most important thing when throwing a baseball. The first step that I would say would probably be funneling the ball to your center. This helps because, as you can see, all these pitchers do pretty much the same thing when gathering their energy to throw a ball. Um, this helps them also to be very accurate and very efficient as well. Um, so another thing, the second step, uh, you pretty much have to step towards a target. So in this case, stepping towards home plate or the catcher would be the most ideal way of throwing. Um, what I've been taught all my life is really pointing your right ankle to a target. Now, step three, throwing should be getting separation. Uh, this is a big move for pitchers and also infielders and position players as well, because this is how you get velocity on the ball. Without being able to separate, there's not really any force being produced or velocity being thrown. Um, so what I've been taught is also glove to arm separation, which means rhythm and timing with pretty much your legs and your stride. Uh, with that being said, step four, your foot strike. Now, the foot strike is very important because this is what transfers all your energy and momentum down to the ball. Um, this is where velocity comes. As you can see here, Syndergaard, he throws about 100 miles an hour. Um, his foot strike is utilized extremely well, and he knows how to kind of work his body into the way he throws. Now, for step five, your hips have to rotate in order for you to throw hard. Um, Also, it could prevent injury because all the stress on your elbow, your shoulder can also degrade over time when throwing a baseball. So this is the most efficient and healthiest way to throw. Um, the last step, I would say, is the chest moves forward as your arm accelerates. Uh, what this means is you're pretty much you're facing the way you throw, pretty much. Um, uh, Throwing a baseball is an athletic movement, and in order to throw, hard, you got to be athletic. I mean, it's no point to it. Uh, I mean, you can see this in every sport with all the elite throwers. You got the Patrick Mahomes in football. He throws a football pretty much with the same mechanics, mostly the same. They're very similar. Then you got, Justin Herbert. He throws with high velocity as well. Um, what I like to think about when I throw is keeping the ball above water. What I mean by this is pulling the ball right above your chest, or across your chest, sorry. Um, yeah, so I think the last thing that I really think is important is just to stay close with hips and create elastic rotational energy. I mean, internal rotation is also very important when throwing a baseball. This is a power move that everyone needs in order to throw a baseball with max effort and accuracy. You got to have the ability to showcase the authentic stability in order to throw a baseball for velocity. A stable foot position is very important when throwing a baseball to maximize sort of a kind of a drive phase of power. Um, as you can see, these pitchers do not have momentum going backwards. He is able to stabilize his force production from his max leg lift. Um, to my next point, leg lift and hand timing is very important when it comes to throwing a baseball because this promotes consistency, and also having a very subtle move with the leg lift will give you a momentum going forward, and this will create effortless velocity. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys know how to throw a baseball now. Thank you.